The chairman of the Third Way Alliance Party, Miruru Waweru, went to the Court of Appeal seeking leave to file additional evidence in the main appeal in the form of an affidavit containing the joint JLAC report dated 23rd April 2021 and the Hansard of the Senate on the debate and approval of the BBI bill. The prayers were before Justices Daniel Musinga, Roslyn Nambuye and Jamila Mohammed. Waweru said that the joint JLAC report would be useful for the court in disposing of the appeal before it, and that the parties to the suit will not suffer any prejudice if the report is produced as evidence before the court. Speakers of the National Assembly and the Senate opposed the application. They said that Waweru was seeking to introduce new evidence to improve his case and that the applicant's attempt to produce the Hansard as evidence of debates of Parliament was an infringement on the freedom of speech and debate in Parliament. Solicitor General Kennedy Ogeto and Attorney General Paul Kihara opposed the application. They argued that the intended additional evidence was legally impermissible as it was an attempt to patch up Waweru's case on appeal by enlarging its scope through craft. The Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC, also opposed the application. IEBC Director of Legal and Public Affairs, Michael Goa, said the intended fresh evidence would embarrass the Court of Appeal and the appellants and would result in a situation where the Court of Appeal sits as a court of first instance on new matters which, in the circumstances, would invite jurisdictional questions for the court. In their ruling, the Court of Appeal judges observed that Waweru, being a successful party before the High Court, cannot be said to be attempting to fill up gaps or patch up weak points in his case that existed in his evidence. The judges said that the joint JLAC report is a public document, and even without its formal inclusion in the record of appeal, the court can take judicial note of the same. The judges said there is no serious prejudice that will be occasioned to any party by production of the joint JLAC report. The judges say that the Hansard that was provided by Waweru is signed, stamped and dated by an officer in the office of the Hansard editor. Its authenticity is therefore unquestionable. The BBI appeal hearing is set for Tuesday next week up to Friday. It will be held in an open court at a venue to be arranged in compliance with COVID-19 protocols. Patrick Amimo, KTN News.